If you're searching for the perfect dermaplaning tool to enhance your skincare routine, you've come to the right place. Dermaplaning is an excellent way to exfoliate your skin, remove peach fuzz, and achieve a smoother complexion. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 dermaplaning tools that combine efficiency, comfort, and durability. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, these tools cater to various needs. Let's dive into the details and find the best fit for your skincare regimen. Coming in at number 3 is the Tweezerman facial razors. The Tweezerman facial razors offer a quick and easy solution for dermaplaning at home. Known for their precision and safety, these razors are a great choice for those who want effective results without breaking the bank. Key features: this set includes 3 high-quality razors with stainless steel blades. The blades are angled for optimal skin contact, ensuring smooth and safe exfoliation. The compact size and protective caps make them convenient and travel-friendly. Benefits and usage: Tweezerman razors remove dead skin cells and fine facial hair, revealing a brighter complexion. They also help create a smoother base for makeup. To use, cleanse your skin, hold the razor at a 45-degree angle, and glide it across your face in short, light strokes. Usability: these razors are straightforward to use and require no prior experience. Their compact design makes them easy to handle, and the protective caps ensure safe storage. They're suitable for quick touch-ups and on-the-go skincare. Durability: although designed for single or limited use, the Tweezerman razors are made with high-quality materials that ensure a sharp and effective performance. Proper care, such as cleaning after each use, will prolong their usability. Taking our 4th spot is Flawless Dermaplaning Tool. The Flawless Dermaplaning Tool combines elegance and efficiency, making it a must-have for anyone serious about skincare. Its sleek design and advanced features make it ideal for achieving professional-grade results at home. Key features: this tool features a precision blade with a safety guard, ensuring a close and safe exfoliation. Its built-in LED light provides enhanced visibility, allowing you to target even the finest hairs. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for precise control. Benefits and usage: the Flawless tool effectively removes dead skin cells and peach fuzz, leaving your skin soft and smooth. It also enhances the absorption of skincare products. Use it on clean, dry skin, gliding it in short strokes while holding it at a 45-degree angle. The LED light ensures you don't miss any spots. Usability: designed with convenience in mind, this tool is easy to operate and suitable for all skin types. Its built-in light and ergonomic design make it particularly user-friendly, even for beginners. The lightweight and portable design adds to its practicality. Durability: made with durable materials and a replaceable blade, the Flawless Dermaplaning Tool is built to last. Proper maintenance, such as cleaning after each use and storing it safely, will ensure it remains in excellent condition for years to come. And finally, at number 5, we have Schick Hydro Silk. The Schick Hydro Silk Dermaplaning Tool is a versatile and budget-friendly option for those looking to achieve smooth, glowing skin at home. Its simple design and reliable performance make it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. Key features: this tool features a high-quality stainless steel blade with a protective guard for safe and effective use. Its slim design allows for precise control, even in hard-to-reach areas. The pack includes multiple tools, making it a cost-effective solution for regular dermaplaning. Benefits and usage: the Schick Hydro Silk tool removes dead skin cells and fine hair, improving skin texture and promoting a radiant complexion. Use it on clean, dry skin, gliding the blade gently across your face in downward strokes. It's perfect for prepping your skin before makeup application. Usability: this tool is incredibly easy to use and requires no special skills or setup. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to handle, while the slim blade ensures precise results. It's an excellent option for quick touch-ups or regular skincare maintenance. Durability: although designed for disposable use, The Schick Hydro Silk tool is made with high-quality materials that ensure sharp and effective performance. Each tool is durable enough for multiple uses, providing great value for money. Dermaplaning can be a game-changer for your skincare routine, and the right tool can make all the difference. From the high-tech flawless dermaplaning tool to the budget-friendly Schick Hydro Silk, there's an option for everyone. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect tool for smooth, glowing skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert product reviews and skincare tips. See you in the next video.